Hello viewer, welcome back to my channel. Today we discuss how to create line shape file in QGIS. If you want to work in QGIS, so it is very important. So please like, share and subscribe my video. Let's start. Here is our QGIS and we go to layer. After layer we go to create layer and go to new temporary scratch layer and we write here layer name, we write here line and geometry type line and our projection default and OK. Our shape file created. If you want to draw line, we select it, select toggle editing and here is highlighted line feature. We select it and first point and second point, third point, and after ending we right click. Our line is created. We draw next line, first point, second point and right click. Our line is created. If you want to see property, you go to table. Here is two attribute tables and but attribute nothing. And if you want to see in information only, you go to identifier and you select here identify. Here is all information. So our line feature created successfully. So please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching video. Hello viewer, welcome back to my channel. Today we discuss how to create polygon shape file in QGIS. If you want to in QGIS, so it is very important. So please like, share and subscribe my channel. If any query, please write me comment. Let's start. Here is our QGIS. We go to layer and create layer. After create layer, we go to new temporary scratch layer and we write here layer name. We write here building, geometry type, polygon and projection default and OK. Our shape file is created and we draw a polygon. For draw polygon, we select it and highlight toggle editing. After it, our polygon is highlighted. We click add polygon and draw a polygon as per requirement. And if you want to end it, you right click and next we draw first point, second point, third and fourth. We right click. If you want to detail, you go to open attribute table and here is detail but attribute nothing. Two features are created. If you want to see and identify, you go to identify and click it and see here detail. And if you want to change symbology, you go to property. You select here symbol as per your requirement. We select here hello and OK. We successful created polygon shape file. So please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching video.